When a former chief minister openly and brazenly on the floor of the House in Parliament backs for a man who proudly advocates secessionism, who loudly swears by the idea of Khalistan and separating India, who was arrested under NSA or the National Security Act for laying siege to a police station, hurting police personnel and threatening the law enforcers of Punjab, and who unfortunately is also a member of Parliament from Khadur Sahib, you know when it comes to politics of appeasement is at play. The man we are talking about is Amritpal Singh, and the leader who is backing from him in Parliament is Congress Party's Jalandhar MP and former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi. As per Channi, the imprisonment of Khalistani sympathizer Amritpal Singh is similar or is akin to an emergency-like situation. He believes that Amritpal was elected by the people of over 20 lakh people of Khadur Sahib, and the act of keeping him behind bars is nothing but muzzling his freedom of speech. If you think that the anger and shock against Charanjit Singh Channi's open backing for a Khalistani sympathizer Amritpal Singh has triggered a sense of remorse, think again, because here, when it comes to the defiance, is as the shocking as far as the comments that has been made, and that too on the floor of the House.
और ये कहते हैं कि जी हर रोज इमरजेंसी की बात करते हैं कि इमरजेंसी, लेकिन जो देश में आज अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी है उसका क्या है? इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है।
तो पर आप ऐसा मानते हैं अमृतपाल को लेकर जो चन्नी जी आपने कहा है, अमृतपाल पे तो कुछ बोलेंगे चन्नी जी, अमृतपाल को लेकर जो बोला है चन्नी जी, अमृतपाल पे आप बोलेंगे चन्नी जी, अमृतपाल पे आप कुछ बोलेंगे? बोल दिया।
Well, the BJP, however, has taken on the former Punjab Chief Minister for his open advocacy of a secessionist. The BJP and its leaders have called out on the Congress for its history of backing separatist elements. This even as the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have failed to openly condemn the outrageous advocacy of a separatist.
एक चुने हुए व्यक्ति को जिस प्रकार की सुख सुविधाएं या जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के मुताबिक मिलना चाहिए वो हर व्यक्ति को मिलना चाहिए, चाहे वो मैं हूं, चाहे अमृतपाल है, चाहे कोई और है।
मैं कला किसी खास एमपी का नहीं, मैं 3.5 करोड़ लोगों का कस्टोडियन हाँ।
चन्नी के बयान पर मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि इंदिरा गांधी का हत्यारा खालिस्तानी और खालिस्तानी का समर्थन कांग्रेस का, वाह रे कांग्रेस जय चन्नी, ये भारत की संप्रभुता पे हमला है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी आज अलगाववादी और खालिस्तानियों के समर्थन में उतर आई है। ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो संविधान की बड़ी बड़ी बातें करती है। क्या ये संविधान सम्मिलित है? क्या ये संविधान की रक्षा कर रहे हैं?
Meanwhile, another Congress leader has defended Channi over his support to Amritpal Singh, and latest we have is Congress's Amritsar MP. Let's listen in to his reaction too.
कांग्रेस को इन लोगों को सफाई देने की जरूरत नहीं है। कांग्रेस क्या है? कांग्रेस का बलिदान का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है देश के। और ये जो बयान है ये तो बस उन्होंने तो ये बात कही है कि जो लोग वहाँ जिन्होंने मतदान किया है उन्हें इजाजत किसने दी उसको इलेक्शन? या तो सरकार कानून ऐसा लाए कि जो लोग ऐसे हैं उनको इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ पाए। जब संविधान उनको इजाजत देता है तो जो लोग जिन्होंने मतदान किया, बात तो ये कि उनको कैसे करना है, उसके ऊपर संविधान है, कानून है। कानून जो कहेगा वो सरकार को करना चाहिए। आपको लगता है कि कोई एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए चन्नी जी पे इस कार्यक्रम के लिए? ये तो हाईकमांड करना चाहिए। आपको लगता है हाईकमांड साथ है या अगेंस्ट है इसके? ये तो आपको हाईकमांड स्पष्ट कर दिया है। अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच।
Well, ये तो high command decision लेगा. Sabyasachi, as far as the high command is concerned, there were certain reports that were also being cited that people within the Congress party are not very happy with the statement that has been made by the Congress MP Channi on the floor of the House. What is going to happen there? Because the mere statement that has come across that they are distancing themselves from his point of view and calling it as his personal view.
Well, absolutely. C. Jairam Ramesh yesterday put out a post saying that the Congress party is distancing themselves from the remarks made by Channi, and they called this particular remarks as his personal. Now, there are reports that some of the MPs within the Congress party, including some of the MPs from Punjab, are not happy with the fact how Channi has made the remarks. Now, these particular MPs have decided that they would be speaking to the Congress High Command and asking the Congress High Command to initiate sort of action against Mr. Channi. Now the MPs feel that time and again their family, they have lost their family members to Khalistani separatists, and this particular remarks coming in from Mr. Channi is quite insensitive despite knowing the fact that former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated. See, this is the question which the BJP is asking, that whether the Congress party is backing Khalistani separatists despite the fact knowing that former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated by them. So clearly the war of words between the BJP and the Congress is going on, but clearly at this particular time the Congress had distanced themselves from Mr. Channi's remarks. As well, some of the MPs within the Congress demand that the High Command must initiate action against Mr. Channi for his remarks.
All right, please do stay on with us, Sabyasachi, because right over the furor and the outrage over Charanjit Singh Channi's remarks, Times Now has confronted the Congress MP himself. However, there is still no direct apology coming in from his side as the defiance continues.
क्या कहेंगे आप यहाँ पे कांग्रेस का साथ
after coming back?
Okay, you heard it here. He says that after coming back, we will talk. This was Channi in Parliament. Here, Rashman will बताओ for Times Now.
After coming back.
Okay, you heard it here. He says that after coming back, we will talk. This was Channi in Parliament. Channi sir, क्या कहेंगे आप यहाँ पे कांग्रेस का साथ
after coming back.
Okay, you heard it here. He says that after coming back, we will talk. This was.
Well, after coming back, that's all he has to say, Sabyasachi, as far as the Congress party itself is concerned, because they have distanced itself, but however not announced if they would be willing to take action against their own leader.
Well, absolutely. See, Mr. Channi did not give any sort of remarks. He said that after coming out of the parliament, he will speak. But see, the Congress MPs who have shown a dissent towards Mr. Channi's remarks, they feel that the Congress have been fighting terrorism in the country for a long time, and these sort of remarks that has come in from Mr. Channi kind of designate that. And at this particular time, certain MPs want that the High Command should take some sort of action against Mr. Channi, and that is the reason why these MPs would be talking to the High Command regarding their remarks. See, as of now, we had seen that the Congress party has distanced themselves from Channi's remarks. They say that this is his personal remarks. The Congress party has nothing to do with it, and the BJP is demanding answer from Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In fact, whether Rahul Gandhi endorsed this sort of remarks that has been given by Mr. Channi inside the floor of the House. So clearly at this particular time, the Congress High Command is the one who has to answer whether they would initiate any sort of action against Mr. Channi or not.
All right, remains to be seen if any action is initiated. Just a mere post on distancing themselves is not enough. However, when Times Now confronted Charanjit Singh Channi, he had no words to say, but there is still no direct apology coming from his side, and neither the Congress nor the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have come out to openly condemn his statements that he made on the floor of the House. Sabyasachi, thank you very much. You're watching Times Now. We head into a short break.